Please like the video and subscribe my channel to get updates. Also press bell icon to receive notifications of new uploads. Hello and welcome to all of you to Mac and Mess. I am Dr. Ajay Verma. In my previous video, we talked about sections of pyramids. In today's video, we will be talking about sections of the prisms and one problem of cube also. So let us start. Here I have drawn three figures for three problems. One by one we will take them. So this is the first problem. In this problem, here is a square prism which has top view like this. Ignore this hatching and all those. So simply we have drawn the top view. Here is the front view as a rectangle. This square prism is cut by two cutting planes, one this one and second one this one. It is cut by two cutting planes. The positions may be provided in the problem in such a manner that this is an auxiliary inclined plane, this is also an auxiliary inclined plane, and this plane is making some angle with the HP and passing from some points. Another plane cutting this side and making some angle, maybe 70 or 80 degree or so. So in this manner the cutting planes are being given to you. So what you need to do, you have to identify the cutting points such as this one and this one for plane 1. So P dash and Q dash are the cutting points of plane 1. Similarly, X dash and Y dash may be considered as the cutting points of another plane. So how to do the sections of this prism? Consider this plane and drop vertically on the top view so as to cut the lines. First point this, second point this, and this point. So the area bounded by these 3 points should be hatched, and similarly you can drop this point from here, X dash. So this will give you X and X here, and Y dash on this point. So this area will be hatched. Now we have to draw the true shape of these two sectioned top views or sectioned planes. So what you need to do, consider another auxiliary plane parallel to the cutting plane here. This may be denoted as say x1 y1, right? Draw two perpendiculars from these points, the cutting points. Take two perpendiculars on this line x1 y1, and you have to cut distances on this line, taking distances from the respective point from the top view. So when we cut from here to some distance, you have to take distance from the point P in the top view. So P from XY line. So from here to this point, this distance will be cut on this line. Say this is the distance. So this is P. Similarly, you have to take distance of Q from the top view. So this distance, one distance will be this one, second distance from XY to here. So one distance will be somewhere around here, and second distance somewhere around here. This point. So this is Q, this is Q. Join all these 3 points and draw the hatchings. So this is true shape of this section. Similarly, if you want to draw true shape of this auxiliary plane, so you have to take distance from XY line to X, XY line to X. These two distances you have to mark. One is this one, another one is this one. So on this line, one point you have to draw somewhere around here, another point from here to here. So much of distance somewhere around say here, and another distance for this. So this may be the distance on this line. So this will be the true shape for this plane. So these two are the true shapes and these are the sectional top views of the cut part. Second question is this. Here it is a hexagonal prism which is cut by some cutting plane, and the cutting plane is cutting the top face also. So what you need to do, you have to drop this top face point in the top view so as to have this point and this point, and this extreme point will be cut, so this complete diagram will be sectioned. Like this. And after sectioning you will get sectional top view. When we talk about this question, this lower part will be darkened. Like this. Right? So here we have to darken only the lower part, means this part. This and here. Right, this part has been removed, so it will be lighter one. As far as the top view is concerned, this is the sectional top view. Now we have to draw the true shape of this section. So again consider another line, say x1 y1 parallel to the cutting plane. Draw projectors from all the cutting points. 1, 2 and 3 cutting points are there, x, y and z, and their distances to be taken from the top view. Say for example, for x dash you have to take from xy to distance x. So this distance you will take, so it is somewhere around here, say x is there. For this it is cutting 2 points, 2 lateral lines, B and F, BB and FF. So these points will be taken from here. So one distance will be this one, second distance will be this one. So we can cut here also. So this is x, y, and for z again 2 distances, one here and second one up to here. So this will be side. While after joining this you will get the true shape of the this is true shape of section, like this. So this is sectional top view, this is true shape. Now let us come to the third problem. It is a question of a cube, and very peculiar question, very typical question it is. In this problem it is given that the true shape of the section of a cube is a regular hexagon. We have been provided with the length of the sides of the cube, say for example 30 mm or so, and the only data provided is that the true shape is a regular hexagon. So for this type of question you have to remember one trick. You have to identify the position of the cutting plane here, and then you have to draw, and that position is like this. If I give marking, say this is A, this is B, C and D, so this will be A dash, this will be B dash, D dash, and this is also B dash, D dash, C dash and C dash. So what you need to do, you have to find out midpoint of this distance, means from A dash to B dash take the midpoint. Similarly, opposite side, lower side you have to identify, you have to take midpoint of this line also, means from B to C you have to take the midpoint. join these 2 points. This will provide you the position of the cutting plane. Remember, this is only for the condition when the true shape is a regular hexagon for a cube, right? Now this will be the sectional top view, which is a hexagon with irregular faces. Because this part has been removed, so this side will be lighter one and this will be highlighted, so this should be a lighter one, right? Now you have to draw the true shape, so consider another plane parallel to this cutting plane and drop perpendiculars on this line. So it is cutting at 3 points, so you can draw these 3 points like this. Take distances from here. So first on A, 2 distances will be there, here to here and here to here. So you will get 2 distances like this. For this second point, it is cutting B and D. So one distance this one, second distance this one. So it's around here and here. For the third, this and this distance. So again you will get 2 distances like this. After joining these points, you will get true shape in the form of a regular hexagon, and this should be properly hatched. So in this particular problem, you have to take the midpoints of these 2 lines. Either this, you can take this also, 1 point here, 1 point this one. So the true shape will be this side only. This will be the difference only. Now we have taken A to D or A to B midpoint, B to C or D to C midpoint. Join them to identify the position of the cutting plane and draw the section here. So this is all about sections of prisms and cubes. Thank you.